Hi guys, I'm Varun and today what we're going to be doing is a very healthy high fiber recipe. And since many of you are taking the vegan and gluten-free route when it comes to your diets, so that's why I thought that I'll do a innovative kind of a twist to the ever-present quinoa in the market. Now it's been there for a long time and many of you have been having it in the classic traditional form. So that's why I thought that I'll do an interesting take on it. And I'm going to be doing a vegan gluten-free quinoa pancakes that is going to be served with some mango pulp. So what we've done is we've used quinoa flour, but if you don't get quinoa flour, you can just blend up some quinoa and then you just get quinoa flour just like that. So let's check out the recipe.